Hi riders, if you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycles news, action, and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club. Hey there, fellow riders and enthusiasts. Welcome back to Bikers Club. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. Why do motorcycle riders often exude masculinity and allure? Let's explore the elements that make us riders stand out in more ways than one. One undeniable aspect of motorcycle riders' allure is the power of the machine. Riding a motorcycle is an exhilarating experience that requires control, skill, and fearlessness, traits often associated with masculinity. Riding a motorcycle demands confidence and assertiveness. The ability to maneuver a heavy machine on two wheels with precision adds to a rider's allure. It's a display of confidence that can be quite attractive. Biker culture has long been associated with a rebellious and free-spirited attitude. This rebel spirit can be alluring, as it signifies breaking away from the ordinary and embracing a sense of adventure. Motorcycle riders have a unique connection with the open road. There's something inherently attractive about someone who craves the freedom of the open highway, the wind in their face, and the world at their feet. The camaraderie among riders fosters a sense of brotherhood. Being part of a tight-knit community adds to the allure, as it reflects values of loyalty, trust, and togetherness. The unique style of riding gear and attire adds to the allure of motorcycle riders. The rugged, classic, or even edgy look often associated with bikers is undeniably attractive to many. So there you have it, my fellow riders. The allure of motorcycle riders is a captivating combination of power, confidence, the rebel spirit, a connection with the open road, a sense of brotherhood, and a unique sense of style. It's no wonder why we riders often exude masculinity and attractiveness. Thanks for joining us on Bikers Club. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Keep riding with pride, and until next time, stay safe and stay attractive.